Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you of the process of my beauty slash walk-in closet. So we moved into this new home and one of the bedroom was turned into my beautiful closet. So the next clip that you're gonna see is basically some of the video clips are on my phone because I would come in and the workers would be here, and literally the first day I completely forgot to come in and take pictures and videos and everything of how the place looks like before the floors and the paint went on. But I came in too late, the paint was already done, so the colour of the walls were a grey. It's a new build, so the developer just paints it a colour. But I wanted it white, so it goes nicely with all of my wardrobes and stuff, my built-ins. So I've painted it white. So some of the details you'll see, I've done it with the phone. I showed how the floor looked like and how it looks now with the things in. So hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video, which will probably be the actual reveal of how it looks in organized. So not just of how it looks and how it was built, but literally with everything that went in, because I am absolutely in love. And I'm missing two things. I'm missing my beauty chair and the vanity mirror. So once they come in, I am going to do a full tour of the closet. I'm still missing a few decorative pieces because of lockdown. I actually can't get anything at the moment, but this is going to be something I can show at a later stage. So if you'd like to stay tuned and see the rest, and I hope you'll like it, and you join me on my next video. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I'm filming this. I forgot to film how it looked before, so I'm trying to get it in now really quickly. So this is the room without anything in it, without the floors. The colour was that grey over there, but we decided to paint it all white. So this is how it looks before. There's nothing in there because we're still putting in the floors. That's this whole room. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I ran up the stairs before the workers come in for everything else. Yeah. just to show a quick overview of how the right side looks like. All the shoes, the handbags, the makeup, all goes in there. Still need to clean, it's still an absolute mess. Have a few shelves to put up. That's all gonna be gone, just the table left. Have a few more, two more boxes here to add inside of the wardrobe, and so are those. What else do I need to do? And then my husband needs to put back the skirting board, and we are done. Well, done as in building wise. We'll have to get some more decorations. I'm doing it on my phone because I don't know where my camera is, but that is this.